How to export to Excel in Asana. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to export your Excel files from Asana to your Excel software. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. I'm going to head over asana.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. I'm going to head over the project. And from the project, I'm going to export the list of the tasks as, let's say, a specific CSV or XLS file. So we're going to head over the drop down menu from here, which is going to be actions. We're going to head over export or synchronize, select the project task or the time entries. It is going to be up to you, but the time entry is not going to be an Excel file, but rather a CSV. Click on this one, the specific, let's say, tasks. So the Microsoft Excel is going to read both of CSV or XLSX. So choose one of the specific formats, click export, wait for it, and here we have the XLSX, as you can see, file. Now, we can go ahead and upload the file by selecting it just like that, and here we have it. It is going to read the, of course, the specific files. This is due to my, let's say, my connection, so it is not going to work well, but in your case, it is going to work as soon as possible. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.